Chivido 2025 is confirmed. So Nigerian artist Davido has confirmed that he and his wife Chioma Roland will be having a white wedding ceremony this year. Davido is currently on a press tour promoting his new album 5, and during the interview at the Breakfast Club show, he spoke about his personal life, family, friends, and also mentioned he and Chioma will be having a white ceremony in August 2025 in Miami. So if you recall, Davido and Chioma had their traditional wedding last year. In June 2024, Davido and Chioma had their Nigerian traditional wedding. It was a celebration of their love, their cultures, the Yoruba and Igbo cultures, and family. So that was like a very wedding 24. And after the ceremony, there were rumors. A couple of reports stated that they were having a destination wedding after the traditional wedding. Some reports said it was going to be in Bahamas in February 2025, but that wasn't correct. Davido has confirmed he'll be having his white wedding ceremony in Miami in August 2025.